Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Well, it looks like today's task is going to include more snow removal. We were out of town for a couple days over the weekend, and we were supposed to have less than an inch of snow while we were gone, actually on the day of our return, and we got 5 inches. So the greenhouse is full of snow again. Let's see how much we got there. Yeah, the 5 inches stayed on top. It wasn't super windy. So I got to come out and get this off. I don't know if I'll shovel this stuff on the side. I probably should. So again, that's going to take up my whole day, and I won't be able to get much else done. I do want to get the hood for the starter chamber. So there's an actual greenhouse product called a germination chamber, but mine is a germination / starter chamber. It has to grow the plants for roughly a month inside of it to keep them out of the cold. Yeah, it's nowhere near as heavy on this side, just a thin little layer. So hopefully it won't be too bad, but I'm not gonna record the snow removal because we just did that a couple days ago. So I gotta actually go move all the vehicles, put them out on the road so our plow guy can get in here and get everything plowed. And then I'm gonna go in and finish up on the hood for the starter chamber, starter / growing chamber. I'm gonna wrap that up and bring it in here and set it up. Probably should have grabbed some gloves. Yeah, we got 31 degrees in here. And I also want to get this put back into the shed today. So not a huge amount of work today, and most of it involves shoveling, which kind of sucks, but it's a necessary evil. So to begin with, I'm going to knock all this stuff down. I'll start videoing again when I start putting this together. What I got to do with this, I'm going to brush this crap off of it and bring the other half here and throw a rope up over the top there and put it up. Or actually, I might just set it on top of this for now, because I need to get at this area above it to knock snow off. And we're going to get snow again in 2 days. And we still have a while before winter's over with. Oh boy, lots of work. Oh, and Friday, I started germinating the, Purple Milkweed and orange butterfly weed, both of which are milkweeds and will be growing along the road there in the mass planting that I'm doing from all the stuff started here this year. All of the different seeds have different stratification needs. Yeah, I didn't start germinating, I started stratifying them, which is keeping them cold and damp a certain amount of days before you plant them. One's been in there since the beginning of the year, and now 2 more have been added with dampness, and another one gets started on March 5th, and then all of them get planted on the 15th of March. Okay, I'm gonna get to work, knock all this stuff off, do some shoveling, and I will come back when it's time to do some of this greenhouse stuff. Well, my plan was to hang this today. Got a bin full of rope up there. See if you can see it here. We buy this stuff whenever it's on sale or whatever. Always comes in handy. But I wanted to get this up and just tidy up and stuff out here, but I'm at a kind of a standstill again. I have shelves or shelf brackets coming for this. I'm going to put a 12-inch bracket all the way across the top, and then one probably right about here all the way across, or 12 feet, and then start getting some of this stuff out of the way onto the shelf. And then I got like 8-inch brackets that I want to put in various places here for the tools that I use the most, which are now back in there somewhere. And I wanted to mount a couple chargers here, but I can't do any of that crap until I have the shelves on order. So not really sure what I'm gonna do today other than continue to shovel, and that's kind of boring. So I'm probably gonna show you what it looks like over there and then finish this video up. I did find, this is the desiccant I've mentioned several times. So I'm going to bring this over there. This orange thing turns blue when this is full of water, and then you just put this in the oven. I believe it's got instructions on the bottom, so you can't lose them. You bake it in the oven for a little bit to get the water out of it and reuse it. So I'm going to put this in my bin over there. All that's in the bin is a couple screws and stuff, but I will be bringing drivers over there when I start assembling the benches. And I could do that today as well, but I have the torpedo heater blasting over there. It's probably 75 degrees in there right now. I'm melting all the stuff, whatever's left on the roof, so that the next snowstorm, I'm hoping it just blows right off, doesn't have anything to stick to. And I don't even know if that's going to be a snowstorm or not. You never know. This was supposed to be less than 1 inch, and it's 5 to 6 inches. So who knows? The several before that were supposed to be 5 to 8 and there or nothing. But anyways, I'm going to head over there. I'll show you what it looks like over there. And I think that's going to be it for today. Get my day job caught up. Okay, 75 degrees in here. That's with the windows open. It got up to just about 100. 98 degrees in here earlier. Trying to dry it out a little bit. How well I'm doing, I don't know. Got a lot of water on the outside. But there was a lot of snow on here. So I shoveled it all out today, and now I'm out here shutting everything down, wrapping up the day. Oh, I got my saw out of here. Once he came and plowed, I rolled my saw over to the shed and got all that stuff done. Yeah, it's been kind of an unusual day. Everything was waiting on something else, so I couldn't couldn't plan the day out very well. So hopefully tomorrow I can have a little bit more productive day. Then the next day it's supposed to snow again, which is really gonna suck if it actually happens, because I have to spend my entire available time every time it snows like that. If I get 4 or 5 inches like this, it just takes that long to move all the vehicles around, clean the vehicles, shovel everything out. It's like an all morning thing. Yeah, the piles are getting pretty damn big. Hello, horses. Just checking on the hay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.5. 4.5 bales, which means I have to run down to the other hay mow tomorrow and get another load of hay. You just run down with the truck and load her up and bring her up. But we have to do it between snowstorms, so hopefully these end soon. There's my saw. So I did not get this done. I could bring this over right now, but I don't know if it's even worth it. I think I'll do that tomorrow again. I'm not even sure what the heck I'm going to be doing out here tomorrow. I'm going to have to figure that out tonight. And see, I have the brackets for this on order, but I don't know the exact width of the shelves. They're 12-inch brackets, but I don't know if, a lot of times that'll be 11 3/4 or 11 7/8. So I need to find out what size the brackets are so I can cut that big sheet up and put some nice big shelves up there and get most of this stuff and a bunch of that stuff up on shelves and out of my way. And those fans, get those up, and then I got another shelf that goes up top there. Get this crap out of my way. Okay, that's about it for today. Tomorrow I think I'm going to try to get that back across the street into the greenhouse and just stack it there, get it out of my way, and waiting on stuff for all this. So maybe I will put the plastic up over this wall right here, so I could put a heater in here and work in comfort. And then maybe I will put this together. These pegboards go on the back of this rolling cabinet. I have other ones as well that go on the ends of those cabinets, but maybe I'll do this one tomorrow. So I'll put that plastic up here and across that doorway, and then I can start going through all this stuff that goes upstairs and get this on, just push this in a little bit and start with the organizing. Yeah, that's my plan. And then as soon as the brackets come for this, I'll get the exact size of the shelves, cut that melamine into the right widths, and then start getting stuff up on shelves in here. All right, that's a plan. So if you want to see that stuff, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon so you're notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.